Kusenjalo khathethula inkulumo emkhosini wesikhumbuzo sokubulawa kwabantu eSharpeville ngalolu suku ngo-1960. Umholi we-EFF uJulius Malema uthe lesi sibhicongo esedlula nabantu abangama-69 sashiya ubuhlungu obusekhona namanje, kanti bafuna kushushiswe bonke ubugebengu obenzeka ngesikhathi sikahulumeni wobandlululo.
We demand prosecution of apartheid crimes, and that must be where the USA begins its investigation of genocide and violations of human rights. All those Boers who killed our people during apartheid must be arrested. All the army generals of the apartheid army must be arrested. All the apartheid policemen who came here in Sharpeville and killed our people, they must still be prosecuted.
Malema uthi abahambisani nomthetho wokuthathwa komhlaba ngendlela oyiyo njengamanje, ngakho-ke bafuna ukuthi uchibiyelwe. Uthi bona bazokulwela ukubuyiswa komhlaba ngaphandle kwesinxephezelo noma ngabe uthini umengameli waseMelika uDonald Trump.
The USA is not interested in diplomacy. The USA is interested in dominance over us by any means necessary. And we must stand up and fight for ourselves because we represent a historical mission. And that mission is the return of the land. Whether Donald Trump's like it or not, we are going to fight for the return of the land in South Africa.
uMalema ugxeke uhulumeni wobambiswano wathi asikho isidingo sokuthi abantu abasha beweseke. Uchaze lo hulumeni njengogqugquzela ububha kubantu abansundu.